I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Kali release so commands and themes match. Run lsb release or cat/etc/os release. Once done, update apt and install any needed tools like dconfeditor or git. These let you edit profiles and fetch color schemes. Make sure to back up your shell config, cp_/, bashrc_/, back, so you can restore defaults if something breaks. Finally, open your terminal profile settings to note current values. This gives a safe baseline before changing colors or prompt settings. Now you edit your shell prompt and environment to set colors. Open /, bashrc and modify PS1 to include ANSI escape codes, for example, \E0, 32M for green, then reset with \E0M. Next, improve directory listing colors by configuring dircolors or ls colors and applying with eval $dircolors /. Dircolors. Make sure to source any new theme file or run source /. bashrc so changes take effect immediately. If using a GUI terminal, also adjust profile palette to finish by theming the terminal emulator itself so text colors and background align. Open your emulator's profile preferences, GNOME Terminal, Tilix, or Console, and paste a custom palette or import a JSON/ANI profile like Dracula or Base16. This ensures color consistency for programs that use default ANSI slots. Once done, restart the terminal. If something looks wrong, revert using your backups or reset the terminal database. Also check that your PS1 uses proper escape sequences and that no other config overrides your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.